What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. We're on the balcony. I'm filming a goals video because so far all of my goals videos have been filmed on balconies. We're taking the time to look forward into 2024 and discuss what it is I have in store for myself and have you guys hold me accountable. A major priority I have for my goals in 2024 is continue to improve my health. Obviously, I have competing and training and diet that are all on lock. I have those parts very down. I'm very confident in those. I'm going to continue to work with Dom as well. And one thing I just want to continue to prioritize along with my physical well-being and health is my internal health. So focusing on things like taking vitamin D3, getting my cortisol support in check, taking anything else that I might need in order to feel better fully and completely, to be the best, not only competitor and bodybuilder, but just to be able to continue to help my parents out, help my friends out when they need it. Just those little things. And these are the type of steps that can often get overlooked, but are super important to feeling good as well as looking good and moving weight and being strong. So this is a huge priority for me. Next up is the bed, because I want to sleep a lot better this year. We got the blue bear here who's always ready to come up to the bed, but one thing that I don't do well is sleep. I am always tossing and turning. I'm always restless, and that can be due to a variety of different things, which we'll touch on in a little bit in this video. But getting a solid 8 hours of sleep, dedicating my room as my space to sleep, learning to leave my phone out of the bedroom, having my alarms, getting to bed earlier so I can wake up earlier and get my day started and knock out all the different things I have planned for every single one of my days so I can continue to work at the most efficient pace and achieve all of my goals. Right, Blue? Oh, the YouTube workstation. I want to continue to providing the best content I can possibly provide for you guys, maximum entertainment, maximum knowledge, and just obviously continuing to document this fun little life that we get to live. I will be a lot more selective when I post. I currently have maintained a schedule posting 4 times a week at one point. Now I'm down to 3 times a week, and I may dial that back even more because I would rather take a lot more time to create content that I'm super proud of, that I actually really love. You know, not feel so much like I have to rush everything and everything has to be so produced or at a certain level. I want to create high quality content that I'm proud of. I'd rather delay a video by a day or 2 or a week in order to make sure it's something that is up to par with my standards. To go along with my internal health, I want to focus on my physical health. Obviously, I don't mean specifically training, but what I mean by that is continuing to improve my mobility, continuing to rehab my shoulder and my pains and aches. So that way, not only can I perform well in the gym, then I'll just be able to be better in my everyday life. Once I get fully rehabbed up, I want to be able to maintain that rehab. I don't want to get to a point where I'm constantly doing band work and mobility work over and over and over again. Once I get better, I plan to stay on top of it, stay better, stay healthy, and stay just more functional, because not only do I like to train for aesthetics and strength, but I like to feel like an athlete first and foremost. One thing I want to do that's really important to me this year is learning to slow down. And what I mean by that specifically is I want to take the time to unplug and spend good quality time with Blue and actually read this year. I know that sounds like a crazy concept these days, but I want to read at least 5 books this year is my current goal. The reason why I want to read 5 books is because I feel like it's a good achievable number to start out with. Just as life's gotten faster and faster, I think reading's a good way to slow down. Plus, obviously, you can add to your knowledge base and just become more well-rounded as an individual. Comment down below some book recommendations for the guy. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Another thing I really want to focus on this year is continuing to have good quality time with Alex. Both of our lives are super busy. I'm starting a new job. It's going to kind of change our schedules, obviously, but taking the time to go on good quality dates, spending good quality time. We've gone on hikes. She was with me all throughout prep, and I'm so grateful for that. Just continuing to build on our relationship. It's going to be great. I know it. I already know it's going to be great. This goal's going to be so easy, but as I mentioned, we are starting a new job, so I'm looking forward to just continuing my career growth in the accounting field. I had a really good break from it, but now I'm ready to get back into accounting. I'm looking forward to this opportunity I have. I'm looking forward to how I can add to my skill set and how I can grow in my career. So just putting forth the best effort, learning as quickly as possible in my new role, and just achieving more. The next thing I have in store for myself, which is by far my biggest goal and my scariest goal, because it's something I've attempted many times throughout my life. I want to read my Bible, the entire Bible, in a year. I haven't done it yet. I've attempted it many times, but this year I'm really prioritizing it. I'm hoping you guys hold me accountable. Read along with me. Let me know. Comment down below. Oh, all those goals being said, we are back outside, and the reason why I think being outside in this dreary, cold, overcast Michigan weather, it's a perfect symbolism for the end of the year. No matter where 2023 took you in your life, no matter how the settings around you look right now, there's always hope. There's always a chance to do better. There's always a chance to turn that page, leave yourself in a better position than you thought. I hope you know that things can only go up, and they will get better no matter what it looks like right now or what it feels like right now. And it all starts with making some goals for yourself, thinking about them, focusing on them each and every day. So that's my challenge to you this year in 2024. But thank you so much for watching the video. Please drop that like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, turn on the post notifications, send the video to a friend. You know the drill. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.